The Nothing Phone series has always turned heads with its bold design and transparent tech flair. But does the new Nothing Phone 3A bring enough substance to match its style in the competitive budget arena? Let's dissect its design, performance, camera chops, and battery life to see if it's worth your cash. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Alright, let's jump right in and explore the Nothing Phone 3A together. Right out of the gate, the Nothing Phone 3A screams personality. It retains the iconic transparent back panel with glyph LED lighting, now customizable for notifications and music sync, but swaps the aluminum frame for a lightweight, matte finish polycarbonate to hit that budget sweet spot. At 8.4mm thick and 201 grams, it's sleek and grippy, though the glossy back still attracts smudges. Available in black, white, and blue, the Phone 3A keeps things fun while adding an IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance. The glyph lights are slightly pared back compared to flagship models, but they're still a conversation starter. It's a clever balance of quirky aesthetics and everyday durability, proving you don't need to spend big to stand out. Moving on to the display, the Nothing Phone 3A dazzles with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel that's both a visual treat and a functional powerhouse. Boasting a silky 120Hz refresh rate for lag-free scrolling and gaming, the screen elevates everyday interactions with its ultra-responsive touch sampling. Colors explode with vibrant accuracy, while a jaw-dropping 3000 nits peak brightness, one of the brightest in its class, ensures crisp visibility even under blazing sunlight. The sleek symmetrical bezels and minimalist punch-hole camera lend a modern, edge-to-edge aesthetic. Whether binge-watching HDR content or navigating apps, this display delivers to flagship-tier immersion at a fraction of the price, cementing the Phone 3A as a budget screen king. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A flexes its muscles with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset and the robust 12GB of ROM with 256GB internal storage, delivering snappy responsiveness for everyday multitasking and productivity. Apps launch near instantly, and casual games glide effortlessly at medium to high settings, while the bloatware-free Nothing OS 3.1 based on Android 15 elevates the experience with the battery-smooth animations, minimalist dot matrix theming, and clever optimizations like app preloading for faster access. For social media warriors, binge watchers, and light gamers, the Phone 3A nails the essentials with poise, balancing raw power and thermal efficiency to avoid aggressive throttling. It's a testament to Nothing's software-hardware synergy, proving you don't need flagship specs for a fluid, frustration-free experience, just smart engineering. When it comes to imaging, the Nothing Phone 3A packs a surprisingly versatile triple-camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS for shake-free shots, a rare 50-megapixel telephoto lens offering crisp 2x optical zoom, a standout in the budget tier, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide for expansive landscapes. Daylight photography shines here, with the main sensor capturing vivid, detailed shots boasting natural dynamic range and punchy colors, while the ultra-wide keeps distortion in check, ideal for group shots or cityscapes. Nothing's signature glyph LEDs double as a clever fill light for low-light selfies, brightening faces without the harshness of a traditional flash, though night mode struggles with consistency, often introducing grain in dim environments. Video enthusiasts get 4K at 30 frames per second with solid stabilization, though highlights can clip in high-contrast scenes. The 32-megapixel front camera delivers flattering skin tones in daylight but leans into aggressive smoothing in shadows, losing finer details. Where the Phone 3A truly charms is its camera app, packed with playful retro filters, film grain presets, and a minimalist interface. It encourages creativity even if the results lack the computational polish of a Pixel or iPhone. For casual shooters and social media savants, it's more than capable. Just keep expectations in check after sunset. The Nothing Phone 3A delivers impressive endurance with its 5,000 mAh battery, easily powering through a day and a half of moderate use, including social media browsing, messaging, and occasional video streaming. What really stands out is the 50-watt fast charging capability, which can juice up the device from empty to full in just 56 minutes, perfect for those mornings when you forget to charge overnight. While wireless charging is notably absent, this omission is understandable given the phone's competitive pricing. The battery performance strikes an excellent balance between capacity and charging speed, ensuring you spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time using your device. Even with the 120Hz display enabled, the phone maintains respectable battery life thanks to efficient power management in Nothing OS. This combination of long-lasting battery and rapid charging makes the Phone 3 a particularly appealing for busy users who need reliable all-day performance. So, is the Nothing Phone 3A worth your money? The answer is a resounding yes, if you value standout design and personality in your smartphone. This device isn't just another generic slab, it's a statement piece that turns heads with its transparent back and customizable glyph lighting. But it's more than just looks. You're getting a premium 120Hz AMOLED display, surprisingly capable cameras, especially that 50-megapixel telephoto lens, all-day battery life with blazing fast 50-watt charging, and the clean, bloatware-free Nothing OS experience. At 1,399 dirhams here in Dubai, it punches above its weight in competitive mid-range market. While you might find slightly better specs for the price elsewhere, no other phone at this range delivers the same combination of style, software polish, and sheer fun factor. The Nothing Phone 3A is perfect for those who want their tech to reflect their personality. Just be aware you're paying a small premium for that unique Nothing charm. If you're tired of boring smartphones and want something that genuinely excites you every time you pick it up, this is your phone. The bottom line, it's the most fun mid-ranger you can buy right now, and that counts for a lot.
Alright, that's for today's review of the Nothing Phone 3A 5G.
Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.